healing hands. God made us so we could heal ourselves. He gave us all the power to do the sounds, the energies, the hands. What robots and computers are just extensions of us. So use your energy, right? Okay, now we did 2. Give me a heart sound. What's a heart sound? That's right. And even a higher tone. Come on, get that higher sound. That's a heart is our feminine energy. It's that love. It's so romantic. So we got to relate to it as a higher tone. Here we go. All right, what's another one? Did I do 3? Y'all still there? Let me do one more. We're gonna do. I love y'all. Stay there. I ain't even we get it done. All right, what's the next one? That's 3. Okay, so sometimes I go right to the he sound. So here, my he starts from here, and I go he. He sounds like a bell. He does. He's riding too. Here we go. Another one. Deep breath. Another one. All right. The he sound is what? Yeah, a harmony. It brings all parts together, right? And it could be a silent sound. That's 4. Where do I go now? My liver and spleen. So my liver sound is so it's we want to calm that liver down. We're shooting. And the way I like to do it is shoot my elbow because I want to shoot it at the wrist, right? So I spin my body like this. When I breathe in, take that L and on the deep breath I turn and I go to the other side and then I keep turning again. I get down and I tones, let it all the way out. Pull it. The other way. That's good. That's the last one. Turn it. Breathe in, let it go. All right, here we go again. How many chakras do we have? 7. What's our first chakra? Root chakra. What's our second chakra? Sacral. What does it deal with? Our sexual energy. What does our root chakra deal with? Our foundation. What is our third chakra? Solar plexus. It deals with our feeling, right? Where's our fourth chakra? Heart chakra. All right. What's our fifth chakra? What's our sixth chakra? What is the third eye? How do I start looking in my third eye? How do I look at,
Close your eyes, look towards the center.
It's almost a triangle, right? It's like eye of Ma, right? Eye of horse, excuse me. I was thinking eye of horse, but the Ma is kind of like the balance beam. But the eye of horse, we start seeing our third eye. And our crown is our seventh chakra. And what is the crown chakra for? Yeah, to pull us up, to give us higher power, to release it, right? So sometimes they relate these to colors. They say our root chakra is red. We can determine this many different ways. Everybody determines it different. It doesn't have to be your red chakra. Your second chakra, a lot of times they say is orange. Our third chakra, a lot of times they say is yellow, our stomach energy. Our fourth chakra, a lot of times they say that's a green color. Our fifth chakra is like a light blue, right? Like the earth, the wind. Our sixth chakra is like an indigo color. The indigo color is so historic. How Africans, when they quit the enslavement period, they kept bringing us to the islands of Georgia, right? And all these sea islands, and they refer to us as Gula and Geechee. And what we did on these islands, we came up with this special dye that was known to be the most special color, indigo, right? And that indigo was first used in what? To make what? For the miners. They needed something heavy to wear, something rugged, and that wouldn't lose their color. What is that we wear? What is that we wear? Jeans. That's how Levi's started putting money into this color. Why? Study that. People's hands started being that color. Indigo, right? Our seventh chakra is our crown. Sometimes they say it's purple. It's a majestic color. Sometimes it could be your gold color, right? It's your top color. Sometimes they say it doesn't have color, right? But you think about that. So what did we say was the African term for chakra? Aritus. How do we spell that? Okay. So how do you say one Arit? There you go. How do you spell it? Sorry, that was okay. So we said different things. So we talked about the sounds. Now, if we were talking to this brother and he said he had problems with his kidneys, what would you tell him to do? If he had kidney stones, okay, tell him.
Rub your hands together, create some heat, and then pick up your shirt, place
Where
your
do you
hands.
put your hands when you rub them? Right in front of your mouth, right? That warm, right? Then you get them real warm, right? And then you put them on your what? Your kidneys. Not on your kidney stones. That can happen. Please help me with it. But we put them on our kidneys, and what is the sound we want to teach Trevor? What is the sound we make on our kidneys? Let's do that one more for Trevor. Here we go. Let's see if we can breathe with the water. That's good. So all these things I just want to share with you about sound healing. And the last two things I just want you to think about is the sounds of release. How do we make sounds? So I want you to make the sound you feel today, or the sound when you're feeling good and happy and everything is pleasant and you're doing all right. What is the sound you would make? Let's everybody make it. I'm not going to put you on point like I'm going to go around, but just make that sound. Here we go. Let's take a deep breath. Whatever that sound, you can't make a bad sound, right? Whatever it feels like to you, make that sound. Let's keep our arms down. Let's keep them hanging. Let's keep them loose. Here we go. One more time. Woo! Now they say some of our best sounds is when we can hold tone, but sometimes we just need to release it. Now, what is a sound you would make if you're frustrated, you're upset, it's hurting, things are hurting, it don't feel good? Let's make that sound. Right? Make some sound. Let it out. I know y'all think this is too dramatic. Come on, try to do it again. Deep breath. Okay. Now the last sound we're going to make is a sound just to bring it all together. A lot of times we do it with our arms and we're thinking of a certain count. When we breathe in, we're thinking of what count? What is the count we breathe into? 5. Thank you. What is the count we release to? 25. Let's try it. Here we go. Now let's make this even tone. See, because when you're unbalanced, emotional blockage, it's going to sound like, it's not going to flow. But when it's flowing, it's just, so let's find that, whatever sound you hear, oh, or ah. Here we go. Deep breath. Okay, we count. I'm sorry. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Next, and go again. Keep going.